Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest with N26, a mobile banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including investment products. To get started, you will need to have an N26 account, which you can open by downloading the N26 app and following the registration process. Once you have your account set up, navigate to the investment section of the app, where you will find various investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and other securities. N26 offers a range of investment products, including a beginner-friendly option called N26 Invest, which allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio with a minimum investment amount. Before you start investing, it is essential to understand the risks involved and to set a budget that works for you. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon to determine how much you can afford to invest. It is also crucial to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk, which can be done by investing in a mix of different asset classes. To invest with N26, follow these steps. First, select the investment product you want to invest in, and then choose the amount you want to invest. You can invest a one-time amount or set up a regular investment plan, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. Next, review and confirm your investment details, including the investment amount, product, and risk level. Once you have confirmed your investment, the funds will be deducted from your N26 account, and your investment will be executed. It is essential to monitor your investments regularly and to adjust your portfolio as needed. N26 provides you with real-time updates on your investments, allowing you to track your portfolio's performance and make informed decisions. In conclusion, investing with N26 is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By understanding the risks and rewards of investing, setting a budget, and diversifying your portfolio, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always review and adjust your investment portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your financial objectives.